Hello friends. Welcome back. In today's video we are going to see what is FreeRTOS and how use FreeRTOS with ESP32 using Arduino IDE. This is the website for FreeRTOS. You can go through the details given on this page. You can download RTOS by clicking here. Now we will see what is FreeRTOS. FreeRTOS is a real-time operating system for embedded devices and microcontrollers. It is an open-source platform that is designed to meet the needs of resource-constrained systems. It is a lightweight, highly portable and compact RTOS that is widely used in a wide range of applications, including industrial control, medical devices, and consumer electronics. The main aim of FreeRTOS is to provide a reliable multitasking environment for small microcontrollers by providing a scheduler that manages the execution of tasks with different priorities and also provides other RTOS features like software timer, semaphores and message queues, etc. Now we will see when to use FreeRTOS. You should consider using FreeRTOS when 1. You need a small, lightweight operating system. 2. You require real-time performance. 3. You require flexible and configurable platform. 4. Your system needs communication and synchronization between tasks. 5. You have a limited budget. 6. Your system's requirements align with FreeRTOS capabilities. Let's see what task create function is. The task create function is a FreeRTOS API function that creates a new task and adds it to the scheduler's ready list. The function has the syntax as shown, where task code pointer to the task entry function, which implements the task functionality. PC name, a descriptive name for the task, primarily used for debugging purposes. A stack depth, the size of the stack, in words, to allocate for the task. PV parameters, pointer to a variable that will be passed as an argument to the task entry function. UX priority, the priority at which the task will run. Create a task, a pointer to a task handle _t variable, where the handle of the created task will be stored. The task create function returns PD pass if the task was successfully created, or error fail if the task could not be created. In Arduino IDE the task create function has the syntax as shown, where function name will be task create pinetta core and extra parameter is added named Arduino _running _core, which represents core of Stensa processor of ESP32. Now we will see what is task function. Task function is the task which called by the RTOS scheduler as per the priority where the specific task is executed. The syntax is shown, where PV parameters is a void pointer to the task's input parameters, passed in as an argument when the task is created using the task create function. The task's entry function implements the task's behavior and is executed by the FreeRTOS scheduler. Task scheduler. A task scheduler is an essential component of a real-time operating system like FreeRTOS. Its primary role is to manage the execution of tasks, also known as threads, in a system, ensuring that each task runs for the required amount of time and in the correct order. In a typical RTOS, tasks are assigned a priority and added to a ready queue. The scheduler selects the highest priority task from the ready queue and allocates the CPU to that task. The task runs until it either terminates, yields control voluntarily, or is blocked waiting for some resource or event. When a task yields control, the scheduler selects the next highest priority task from the ready queue and allocates the CPU to that task. Task start scheduler. To start the task scheduler function in FreeRTOS you need to call the task start scheduler API function. This function initializes the scheduler and starts the scheduler task, which will execute the task scheduling algorithm and allocate the CPU to the tasks. In case of Arduino IDE, no task start scheduler call is required. Now it's time to write code for FreeRTOS using Arduino IDE. Let's start Arduino IDE. The example code for FreeRTOS in Arduino IDE is available as shown. You can go through the code as shown in the sketch. We will refer to the sketch which is created by me. This is the macro for selecting the core of Stensa processor of ESP32, which is 2-core processor. This is the task function which prints hello from task when executed. Note the while loop and delay function where the task stays after execution and again gets executed when scheduler calls this task. Note that the delay function vTaskDelay is called to add the delay of 1 second. The time is calculated in terms of ticks per milliseconds. StaskCreatePinEtToCore function is written in the setup section, where task name is task function. Task is a descriptive name for the task. Stack depth is 1024, you can set as per the need. PV parameters is null. Priority is set as 1. A pointer to a task _t variable is null. Lastly, Arduino _running_core is used. There is no need to start the task scheduler. It is automatically started. No code required in the loop section. Now it is time compile and upload code. Connect your ESP32 board to the PC or laptop. Go to Tool, select the board and port. Go to Sketch and click on Upload. After the completion of code upload, start the serial monitor. You can see the hello start message is appearing on the serial monitor. Our task has started successfully and it is getting executed after 1 second. We will now create task 2, name task function 2 with priority of 1. We will now create task function 2, which is similar to task function but will print the message hello from task 2. Rename task function as task function 1 and set the print message as hello from task 1. Compile and upload the code. Check the serial monitor. You can see the task 1 and task 2 are getting executed, and respective hello messages are appearing on the serial monitor. We have set the priority for both the tasks as 1. You can see sometimes task 1 or task 2 messages are printed twice. Task 1 and task 2 messages are not appearing alternately. Let us set task 2 priority as 2, which is higher than task 1 priority. Now compile and upload the code. Check the serial monitor. Now the task 1 and task 2 messages are coming alternately. So that's for the day. In this video we have seen what is FreeRTOS. We have also seen how to create the task and run them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching the video. If like the video, then hit the like button. Share this video with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks again and have a good time.